Good morning, children. Today we'll start chapter 3 Factors and Multiples. In this chapter, we will learn test of divisibility for 4, 6, 7, 8, and 11, and prime number and composite number, SCF and LCM. First, I will explain you what is factor. Factor: when a number is divided by its factor, the remainder is 0. Now we start divisibility test. How you can find out divisible by 10? First, I will take if a number has 0 at one's place, then we can say the number is divisible by 10. In the ones place 0 is there, that number will be divisible by 10. Same way 5. Divisibility by 5. It's also very easy. If the ones place 0 or 5 at ones place, it means the number is divisible by 5. Here we will learn divisible by 2. The ones place having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 at ones place. It means the number is divisible by 2. Let's continue divisibility test for 3. Example 71382. We add all the digits. 7 plus 1 plus 3 plus 8 plus 2 is equal to 21. 21 is divisible by 3. So 71,382 is divisible by 3. The sum of the digit of a number is divisible by 3. The number is divisible by 3. Next, divisibility test for 9. Same way, we add all the digits and the sum of all digits is divisible by 9. The number will be divisible by 9. 1 plus 8 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 18. 18 is divisible by 9. So 18,234 is divisible by 9. Now continue the divisibility test for 4. Example 23,584. Last two digit number 84 divided by 4. If it completely divisible, then the number is divisible by 4. So 23,584 is divisible by 4. Now divisibility test for 8. Example 1432. For 8, we take the last three digits 432 and it is completely divisible by 8. So 1432 is divisible by 8. Now divisibility test for 7. For the 7, one example 1372. For 7, we take the last digit 2, that we double it. 2 double is 4 and remaining digit is 137 minus 4 is equal to 133 divided by 7. It completely divisible. So 1372 is divisible by 7. Divisibility test for 11. Example, 1,37,654. We add alternate digits. For example, 1 plus 7 plus 5 is equal to 13. 3 plus 6 plus 4, 13, minus 0. So 1,37,654 is divisible by 11 if the difference of sum of alternative digit of a number either 0 or divisible by 11, then the number is divisible by 11. Let's continue prime number and composite number. What are prime number? Prime numbers are the numbers that can only be divided by themselves and the number 1. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, so on. And the composite number are the numbers that can be divided by number other than 1 and themselves. Example, 4, 8, 11, 12, so on. Here between prime number between 1 to 100. In this, 1 is not a prime, neither prime nor composite number, so cancel. With a 2, only 2 factors having 3, 4, which are divisible by 2, we have to cross the number which comes in the table and which having only 2 factors are prime number. These are 25 prime number. We can find out factor by prime factorization and division method. For example, here 84 is factor 3 method. 2, 42, 2, 21, 3, 7. This way we can find out prime factor by 3 method. By division method, we divide with the 2, 84, get 42, 2 again, 21, then 3, 7, then 7. This way we can find out the prime number. Now you do the exercise 3.2 in a book. Let's continue HCF, highest common factor. We can find out HCF by 3 methods. First, prime factorization method, short division method, long division method. Prime factorization method, we have to find out factor of 48, then factor of 56. There are 48 factors, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 and 3. Then 56 factor, 2 into 2 into 2 and 7. Now common factor HCF, 2 into 2 into 2 are the 3 2 are common factor. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 is the HCF of 48 and 56. Short division method, we take both the number together and we divide with the same number. In prime factorization, we have to divide up to last 1, but in this method not applicable. In the both number you can divide, then you have to till that you have to divide. 2, 24, 28, then 2, 12, 14, 2, then 6 and 7. We can further divide 6, not 7. Then we stop dividing. Then 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 8 is a HCF. In long division method, we take 48 is smallest number as a divisor and we divide 56. 1 time 48 minus 8, then 48 divisor, we divide the number, then 6 times 48, last 8. 8 is a LCM of 48 and 56. You can do the exercise in your notebook. Let's continue LCM. LCM means lowest common multiple. Example 27 and 81. We can find out LCM by two methods. One is prime factorization, then common division method. First, prime factorization. You have to find out the factor of 27 and 81 till the last one. 27 factor are 3 into 3 into 3. Then 81 factors are 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Then LCM. Common factor we will write one time 3 into 3 into 3. Then which factor is left over in LCM, that also we will write. So 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 into 3 is equal to 81. Now second method, common division method. We take both the number 27 and 81. 3 with a 3 we divide. We till the 1 we have to completely divide. 3, 9, 27, 3, 3, 9, 3, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1. So the 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to 81 is the LCM of 27 and 81.